Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools for different tasks, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the world of multifunction power tools that can simplify your work and save you time and energy. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional, or just someone looking to make their tasks more efficient, these versatile tools will become indispensable in your toolkit. Without further ado, let's look at the 7 best multifunction power tools that can take your projects to the next level. Number 1. HARDELL Multipurpose 3.7V Power Rotary Tool. The HARDELL Multipurpose 3.7V Power Rotary Tool is an excellent choice for those who need a lightweight yet powerful tool for a variety of tasks. Its compact design makes it easy to handle and perfect for intricate projects such as carving, engraving, sanding, and polishing. Despite its small size, the tool packs a punch with its 3.7V motor, providing reliable power for most household tasks. What stands out about this tool is its versatility. It comes with an array of attachments, including grinding wheels, sanding discs, and polishing pads, allowing users to tackle a variety of jobs without switching tools. This feature makes it ideal for small woodworking projects, metalwork, and even some basic electrical tasks. The build quality of the HARDELL rotary tool is solid. The materials used feel durable, and the overall design is user-friendly. The tool has a comfortable grip, which minimizes hand fatigue, especially during longer sessions. Plus, the rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensures long-lasting use, making it a convenient tool for both indoor and outdoor use.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Rubbermaid Power Scrubber with Multipurpose Head. Next up is the Rubbermaid Power Scrubber with Multipurpose Head. If you're looking for a tool that can help you tackle stubborn dirt and grime with ease, this power scrubber is a must-have. It features a lightweight design and is equipped with a motor that helps scrub away tough stains and grime from various surfaces. Whether you're cleaning your kitchen, bathroom, or outdoor areas, the versatility of this tool shines through. The standout feature of this tool is its multi-purpose head, which can be used on a range of surfaces, from tiles and grout to kitchen countertops. The brush heads are easy to swap out, allowing you to use the appropriate one for different tasks. This feature is especially helpful when you need to tackle different cleaning surfaces or when switching between light and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Durability is another key strength of the Rubbermaid Power Scrubber. Its construction feels sturdy, and it has been designed to withstand frequent use, making it ideal for regular home cleaning. The tool is powered by 4 AA batteries, which are easy to replace and offer enough power for extended cleaning sessions. Number 3. PHALANX 180W Rotary Toolkit Power Multi-Use Set. The PHALANX 180W Rotary Toolkit is a versatile power tool that combines excellent performance with affordability. With 180 watts of power, this tool can handle various applications, from sanding and polishing to cutting and grinding. The tool comes with an extensive accessory kit, including sanding bands, grinding stones, and polishing pads, which gives users the flexibility to work on a wide range of tasks. The design of the PHALANX rotary tool is sleek and ergonomic. It features a comfortable, non-slip grip, which makes it easier to handle, especially during longer work sessions. The motor is surprisingly quiet for its power, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects where noise might be a concern. The variable speed settings allow you to control the intensity of the motor, which is perfect for delicate tasks that require precision. In terms of usability, the PHALANX 180W rotary tool excels. It's perfect for DIY projects such as crafting, model building, and light repairs. The range of attachments that come with the tool ensures that you can tackle any project with ease. Whether you're engraving glass or polishing metal, this tool provides excellent results. Number 4. Dremel Lite 7760 Rotary Tool Multi-Purpose Kit. Dremel has long been known for making high-quality rotary tools, and the Dremel Lite 7760 Rotary tool is no exception. This tool is perfect for those who need a reliable multi-purpose tool for their home improvement projects, crafting, or DIY hobbies. The 7.6V battery provides sufficient power for a variety of tasks, and the tool's lightweight design makes it easy to use for extended periods. One of the most notable features of the Dremel Lite 7760 is its compact size. It's easy to store and doesn't take up much space in your toolbox. Despite its small size, it still delivers excellent performance for sanding, engraving, polishing, and cutting. The 1-hour charging time for the battery is also quite convenient for users who need a quick recharge. The tool includes a variety of accessories, so you can easily switch between tasks. Whether you need to clean up a rough surface or add intricate details to a craft project, the Dremel Lite has you covered. The 20,000 RPM motor ensures that tasks are completed quickly, and the tool's ergonomic design ensures that you can use it comfortably for extended periods without causing strain on your hand or wrist. Number 5. DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool. When it comes to power tools, DEWALT is a brand that professionals and DIY enthusiasts trust, and the DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool is no exception. This high-performance tool is designed for those who need a versatile, heavy-duty tool for cutting, sanding, and scraping. The tool is powered by a 20V max battery, providing long-lasting power for a wide range of applications. The DEWALT Oscillating Multi-Tool features a brushless motor, which increases efficiency and ensures longer tool life. Its compact design makes it easy to handle, even in tight spaces, and the variable speed trigger provides control over the power. This feature is crucial when working on delicate tasks that require precision, such as cutting through drywall or trimming wood. The durability of this tool is top-notch. The housing is made of robust materials, and the tool is built to withstand heavy use in demanding work environments. It also includes a universal accessory adapter, which means it's compatible with a wide range of attachments, enhancing its versatility. Whether you need to cut through metal, remove grout, or sand wooden surfaces, the DEWALT Oscillating Multi-Tool excels at all of these tasks. Number 6. Makita XMT03Z 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Multi-Tool. The Makita XMT03Z 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Multi-Tool is designed for those who need a high-performance tool that's built to last. This tool is powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, which offers impressive power and longer runtime compared to lower voltage models. The Makita multi-tool is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable tool for a range of tasks. One of the key features of the Makita XMT03Z is its variable speed control, which gives you the ability to adjust the motor speed based on the task at hand. Whether you're sanding delicate surfaces or cutting through tough materials like metal or plastic, you can adjust the speed for optimal results. The tool also has an oscillating speed range of 6,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Durability is another strong suit of this multi-tool. The Makita XMT03Z is built with a robust housing that ensures it can withstand demanding work environments. The tool is also compatible with a wide range of accessories, making it versatile enough for a variety of tasks. Whether you're removing grout, sanding, or cutting through wood, this tool delivers impressive performance. Number 7. Hammerhead 2.2 amp Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Hammerhead 2.2 amp Oscillating Multi-Tool is a great option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly, high-performance tool. Powered by a 2.2 amp motor, this tool provides enough power to tackle a variety of tasks, from sanding to cutting. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and maneuver, even in tight spaces. The Hammerhead multi-tool includes a variety of accessories, which makes it a versatile choice for different projects. Whether you need to trim drywall, cut through wood, or remove grout, this tool can handle it all. The motor delivers a solid performance, providing enough power to get through most household tasks without difficulty. There you have it, 7 fantastic multifunction power tools that can make your work more efficient and hassle-free. Whether you're looking to take on a DIY project, handle some home repairs, or simply make your everyday tasks easier, these tools will help you get the job done quickly and effectively. Make sure to check out the descriptions for more details. And let us know which one you think will become your go-to tool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and tips.